How to access WhatsApp contacts in iPhone. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is instead of going to the WhatsApp application right ahead, we can go to our settings first, scroll down to the very bottom, and let's go to apps. From here, we are going to look for the WhatsApp application. You can go to the W section or utilize the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, we are going to tap on Contacts and make sure that you have selected Full Access. Tap on Allow Full Access once again, and that is how you can give access to WhatsApp contacts. Now, if you want to see which contacts you have that is also in WhatsApp, we can go through over that to the next step, which is to go to your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you go to the chat section. And if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. From here, click on the plus icon at the top right. And as you scroll through here, you will find all your contacts that are on WhatsApp and on your contacts within your iPhone. And that is how you can basically access WhatsApp contacts in iPhone.